In this video I am going to tell you how you can create a new repository on GitHub and publish it online on GitHub server. So after logging in into your GitHub account, so I have installed this application on my desktop and logged in. So in my account I need to go to file at the top and click on first option, new repository, and I just need to name it my repository name, and need to enter description, and I can select a path. You can choose it or you can leave it as a blank, and you can just remember the path. You can click on GitHub, ignore these things if you want. If you don't want to ignore anything on GitHub, so leave it. If you have a license, you can select a license. If don't, then leave it. And now click on new reps. Now click on new repository. So just wait for a while and it will create for you. So you can see now it is showing. Now you need to just click on publish repository here, and you can see the changes. You can make changes. If you have any enterprise account, so you can log in with enterprise, GitHub enterprise. Otherwise you can log in, or you are already logged in with normal GitHub account, and click on publish repository. So it is now publishing. So my repository name is Trishu. So you can see it is now showing Trishu current repository. So I have already Praveen ji my earlier repository. Now it is now showing Trishu. So you can do all other changes from here. Clone repository, create repository. You can do add existing repository here. So you can make other changes from here. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.